We interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow.
We interrupt normal programming at the request of the United States government and the White House. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test.
The James Webb Space Telescope has informed Trump that Uranus, a blue ice giant planet, has been confirmed to have devoured our Earth. It is said that Donald Trump has said it's the end of the world. This broadcast has been confirmed to know what NASA is discovering.
It may take 313 days for this ice giant to come to Earth. Well, if it has not come yet after 313 days, contact NASA about it.
All life forms like animals and plants have died.
May God bless you all.
Bye.